Hello everyone, Cursed Monkeys here, and in today's tutorial I will try to unwrap this knife. And I hope that you saw previous tutorials about unwrapping in Maya and how to use them. So I will be using automatic mapping. I will have a shortcut here and UV texture editor, which is a shortcut too. If you don't have the shortcuts, you can create it. And if you don't want to create it and want to know where it is, under polygons can go to the create UVs. It will be automatic mapping, and in the Windows UV texture editor. So it's the same shortcuts down here. Alrighty, so I will pick the blade and use the automatic mapping. Let's see how it will done, and it's pretty great result because we can try to check the edges. It's in here. I believe we can merge it with we'll mark the edges, mark which edges we want to move and so. And as you see, when we are marking the edges in the UV editor, a positive edges is highlighted too, and where will be merge these two meshes. And now we can press a move and sew button, and just like that we will move and sew this two meshes. Okie dokie, what we have here. Oh, we have a needle of the knife. Okay, I will mark it and press the G key to merge it. And I'll check each of the. Alrighty. Okie dokie. So we can merge this top blade at this location, this position, and as you see, we will overlap the UV texture. So we need to shrink them, all of them, down to fit the UVs. So I believe I will rotate this item, and to select the all item I will go to UVs, mark the vertices, and with the Ctrl key and the right mouse button to shell. After it I will press the rotate button and try to fit the position. Okay, I will repeat this on the top blade. I will repeat it, rotate it. Alright, something like that. Just a bit tweaking. Alrighty. Something like that. Okay, I will select them all and shrink them down to fit. Whoops, my mistake. That part must be here, I believe. Somewhere here. Yep. As you saw that I was merge this bottom area, this area of this knife, so it will be a little bit bigger than the knife blade. And now we will try to adjust the position again, and I will select few of the vertices on all of these items, and then to shell. And right now I will try to shrink them down a little bit, try to fit the into UVs. Okay, something like that. it will be okay, I believe. Alright, so now with a handle, and it's not bad result. I'll try to use the automatic unwrap it again, and we have the same result. Okay, so in here I will try to fix some issues. As you see, this is one part of the handle, and we're missing some geometry, and I believe it will be this edge. Yep. So I need to split it from the top edge. Oh, I believe it will be bottom. So I will cut it. Select again the edge, move and so, and I will be selecting. Oops. I will select bottom edges and move it so. Alrighty, and the same problem on the opposite side. Okay, we'll select the edge, just cut it, select edge again, move and so. We'll try to pick the vertices, match the position, go to the edge mode, select, move and so, select, move and so. Okay, so we have a not bad result for this, and I believe we can right now tweak the position to match the shape. Okay, so we have one side of the handle, and after it we'll go on the bottom. So we'll on the top, sorry. So in that case, I should first of all I will try to point it in the middle and try to align this handle side about in the same position, and I will check it's the same. Yep, that will be the same side of the handle, and we can of course tweak a little bit position a little bit closer to this top part, and we can use the merge move and so tool, but I won't use it because I want to show one thing, and why we're using move and so, and why we want to object have seamless shape. So I will just position in the one or other direction, and I believe it will be for this example. Okay, wait a second, I will move it a little bit somewhere over here. I will mark at the same time the blade. Okay, so we have something like that. We can adjust the position and use all the UV space. And what do we have here? We need to take unwrap the bolts too, so I will mark the bolt and unwrap it. Oh my, we have not the perfect result. We don't need like that. We leave the planar mapping, will handle it better, and we can check it. Yep, it's definitely better. Okay, so I will repeat this command on all of these bolts, selecting in object mode, planar mapping. Alright, create planar mapping, or you can just select the object. If you use it once this command, you can just press G key to repeat the command. Alright. Okay. So right now I'll open the texture editor. I will select all of these bolts. Oops. Deselect the handle, only bolts, and or maybe I will select all of them, all this mesh. And in UV texture editor, as you see, we have a bigger space on bolts, and we don't need really so high details on it. And all of these bolts are overlapping, so the bolts are the same size and the same shape. We can overlap in this case and just save some UV texture space. So I'll select this bolts, I'll shrink them down, and I'll place them somewhere here in the corner. Alrighty, so we just unwrapped all the UVs for this knife, and we can try to assign the material, or in my case I will be assigning a checker. If you don't have a checker, you can go to my site. It will be www.ittau.com, and in the download section you can download the UV maps, UV checkers, sorry. So in this material I will assign my checker, and I believe I will use the 2K checker for this. So I will mark the edge and assign the material, and as you see, there is no distortions, everything working fine. I will mark the deselect the blade. I'll mark all of these bolts, all of them. I will assign material again, and it's really, we have not bad result. Almost we don't have any distortions, and we will try to assign this checker on the handle. And as you see, we have here some distortions, and to fix this, we can simply just merge these edges and try to unfold a little bit the UVs. Okay, so let's try to do this. I will open UV texture editor. I will just press this button for showing texture. You can enable or turn off. So to solve this issue, I will first of all I will align, I believe, the vertices. Okay. Okay. I'll select that one. That one. Alrighty. Okay. The red this tools for alignment. I will use the left alignment. Bit tweaking. Alrighty. I'll do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, so now we can just adjust the edges and try to move closer as you can, but not overlap the edges. And after it I will go to edge mode and just select the edges and press the button, move and so on. The same on the other side. Select edges, deselect which you don't need, move and so on. Okay, let's go back to our handle, and at least we right now looking a little bit better, but not the greatest result. As you see, we have still some distortion, so we will open the UV editor. We will select some vertices. I will try to use the unfold feature. Okay, now as you see, we don't have any distortion in this location, and you can tweak the same thing down here, but in any case you will have some seams, and you must try to think where your seams will be and in which location, and always when you're trying to unwrap the UVs, you're trying to do the seams in the position where people can't see, or if they will see, it's a rare thing. How to say it? It's maybe in the position where you never looking. Maybe if we will look from the left side, you can leave on the right side of this handle or something like that. In this case, I believe we need to create the seams somewhere down here, but I believe you get the point how to use the UVs and how to unwrap them. And for a texturing, you can just select all object, open the UV texture editor. Of course, you can just assign materials, but if you want to select and export this UVs, for example, to Photoshop and texture the knife in there, you can just use the UV snapshots and pick the directory where you want your output of these UVs, pick the color, just name the whatever you want, for example knife, and press the OK button to extract it, and you will get the, for my example it was, I believe was Targa files or something like that, and you can open it in Photoshop, texture it and import it back, and your knife will be with the textures. Okay guys, I believe that will be it for this tutorial, and I believe that you understand how to unwrap and how to use it. And in next tutorial, I believe I will try to explain what is this dotted lines, and without dots lines, with hard edges, and this is soft edges, and what for they used and how to unwrap them properly. Okay, see ya, bye.